Steinmart is a off-price specialty retailer that operates about 265 stores in 30 states, primarily across the Southeast and Southwest, but we also have locations in the Midwest and up in the Northeast. We have one of the most incredibly loyal customers of any retailer in America. Business intelligence is important to Steinmart because as we continue to grow and try to improve our sales and our bottom line productivity, we needed a way to be able to give both our store management teams and our executive management teams access to greater information.
We're able to develop a solution a lot faster than we could in any other platform. I've developed in other platforms in the past for tens of years now, and the Microsoft BI stack really accelerated our development cycle. So able to get that time to market, that agile development that no other stack can really offer. Our legacy system does not keep up with our growing business. In our AS400 data warehouse, we hit a limitation in terms of data size. Our tables were becoming larger than 2 terabytes. There's a 2 terabyte limit on DB2 running on the AS400. And so that limited the not only amount of data in terms of what's available to the users, but a number of years of history that we could use for analysis. We needed a data warehouse that not only could handle 7+ terabytes of our existing data, but that would easily be able to scale up.
Cost is a major factor in any CIO's decision on the BI platform to pursue. I think using the Microsoft BI solution along with the HP Blade system, we were able to save money not only on hardware, but software and staffing. From an engineering standpoint, I was able to use the team I had in place. From a strategy and from a cost standpoint, we were able to combine our Microsoft BI initiative with a move to a more robust data center and a simplification of my hardware architecture. So we were able to deliver a better solution in a more secure facility and drive cost savings of almost $600,000 a year.
We selected our hardware vendor HP based on the collaboration between HP and Microsoft in defining the FastTrack reference architecture. Both HP and Microsoft and Steinmart worked closely to make sure we're all on the same page in terms of selecting type of disk, number of cores, processor speed, and partitioning methodology so that we can maximize performance and make sure we met our SLAs. We are delighted in the current performance of our SQL Server reference architecture solution, our data warehouse and business intelligence. In the legacy system, loads took 14 to 20 hours. Currently, the load takes about 4 to 6 hours.
One of the important things for our BI strategy is to get the right data to the right people at the right time. And SharePoint has been great for us to be able to quickly deploy this to a much broader audience than we have been able to in the past.
The Microsoft SharePoint system includes a dashboard that allows the store manager to come in each morning and review his business from the day before. It allows him to look at it in division and department level and make adjustments accordingly.
We're very excited about Power Pivot and Excel services. What the BI stack will allow them to do is access an entire cube of millions and millions of rows, bring it into Excel, bring it into SharePoint.
Store managers have the ability to drill down into divisions, down into class and subclass, that allows them to make decisions and adjustments for the day that they can actually improve sales for the very next day. Deploying new functionality is extremely easy and simple. We can deploy new reports in a matter of minutes to all 265 stores.
With the Microsoft SharePoint dashboard, we get all the information we need in one spot. Prior to having the dashboard, we have to go to a lot of different resources to get that information. So when I get on the sales floor, what I do is effective because I have the information that I need to do my job.
So they can now look at what happened yesterday in their store and make actionable decisions today, whether they need to add signage, whether they need to have product placed in a different way, or whether they are just out of inventory and need to request additional inventory to drive business.
What the BI stack allows us to do is to, in a very quickly and efficient manner, deliver that information to the user in a self-service format. So they have the questions, they can answer the questions themselves and directly.
As a CIO, my job is to deliver the technology and the people to support the business's goal of becoming an information-based culture. The Microsoft BI solution, along with the rest of our strategic initiatives, really put the business in a place to achieve that goal and become an information-based culture.